101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. And yeah, we are back again, absolutely in a new schedule, of course. And Wednesday evening at 7 p.m., we absolutely have a very interesting program in here in Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life English discussion with English communities. All right, guys, so smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, of course, I'm here as a host. I'm Noph. And yeah, I'm not alone here because we already have friends that coming from a various kind of English community, especially in Makassar. Hello, guys. Okay, so yeah, absolutely. Before we are going to talk about and discuss about our topic in this evening, maybe we can keep in touch with all the speakers here, the very gentlemen, right? Yeah, maybe you, the first speaker, introduce your name and tell us a little bit about your community.
Okay, thank you. My name is Agung Mursaling, and you
Agung.
can call me Agung.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm from English Youth Community,
Mm-hmm.
and in our community, we not just only learn about English, but we also teach English to the other people.
That's great.
Yeah, and in our community, we have several programs that we often do. The first, free meeting. So free meeting is open for public, and in free meeting, we learn something about English, and we also provide like a great speaker that
it,
tell us about
like public speaking.
public.
Mhm. And then?
Also we have intensive meeting that only open for our agents in English Youth Community.
For the member, right?
Yeah, and last, we in our community we have Kampung Binaan, and in Kampung Binaan we go there to teach children because the children in Kampung Binaan doesn't have access to school. So we in English Youth Community teach them, but not just about English, but the other general knowledge and
other subject.
yeah, other
right?
subject.
Okay, thank you. So about the social media, like Instagram, yes.
So if you want to know more about our community, you can just search in your Instagram English Youth Community. Yeah,
English Youth Community.
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kak Agung.
Okay.
We move to my left side. Okay.
Well, hello, smart listener. My name is Aldan.
Aldan.
Aldan Wirnata. You can call me Aldan. So I'm a last semesters of students in State University of Makassar. So nice to meet you, smart listeners.
Keep spirit.
Yeah, keep spirit. Well, talking about my community is located in Masjid Al Markas, which is located on a part of Masjid Al Markas.
Okay.
And of course, we have an English meeting. Of course, like our main agenda is actually discussion. So yeah, we have 3 meetings in a week, and we discussed papers of topics
Wow.
that we discuss a lot of topics. It could be like social or any things related
Like
to economy,
economy.
everything's right.
Wow,
We talk
wow.
about there. So we are the one who make the paper as well. We're the one who make the
That's
topic
great.
and we discuss it. So that's what we are doing. So we conduct it 3 times in a week. But not just like that. We also have like an intensive class like TOEFL, IELTS, like to help
Like
members
to prepare like the test.
Yeah,
right?
prepare the test. So we assist our member, of course, to always improve their English because it's really important. So yeah, I mean, if you wanted to find more, maybe you can find us on Instagram.
That's
Max
great.
Almarkas underscore.
Max,
Yeah, or you can directly join us at Masjid Almarkas.
Masjid Al Markas.
Thank you so
Okay, thank you, Kaldan. And we move to the last speaker.
Thank you. My name is Muhammad Afdal. But you can call me Afdal.
Okay,
My
Afdal.
community I'm from Meta Maca English Talk Assembly. and my community is always do something program that not even just English, but sometimes program about testing and prepare to UTBK
Wow. Mm-hmm.
and PNS2.
Yes, yeah.
My community is always doing the activity at Saturday, and you can join at the random place and
Random place.
random place. Sometimes in social media you can type
Uh-huh.
Matcha community,
Matcha
Matcha
community.
community, Matcha
Uh-huh.
English Talk Assembly, and you can join the program every Saturday. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Afdal.
Yes.
And yeah, because our speaker already here, and I mean, like, are you ready, guys, for this discussion?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, for tonight, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, our topic is night market. Okay, a night market, as we known as pasar malam, right? It seems like carnival, like festival or fair or something like that. Okay, and yeah, there's a lot of games in there, and also we have like they have food, clothes, trades, something like that. And yeah, it seems like a very interesting. There's such a kind of kora, or like the attraction of tong setan attraction. Yeah, like, and also nowadays they also have like haunted house, like ghost house. It's very interesting, guys, in the topic for this evening. So to start our discussion about our topic, maybe my first question is, what is your opinion about pasar malam itself, like what makes this, I mean, like, the night market is very always awaited by the community, by the people, especially in Indonesia. You know what I mean? Like, your opinion about it. Okay, so maybe Kak Afdal want to share with us first.
In my opinion, I think the night market is significantly contribute to our traditional and
Yeah.
culture,
Mhm.
because he creating a private space to people, so people can join
To the market.
the market
Mhm.
and carnival. Sometimes that provide foods and
Yeah, because a lot of them, like,
food vendors.
cheap with
Yes,
the price, cheap,
mm.
cheap price.
They're creating
Mhm.
the some business and opportunities
Yeah,
to other
yeah.
people too.
Yeah, that's
And,
great.
I think
Mhm.
very much of both in the
Yeah,
night
yeah.
market. So we don't know how to choose that one.
Mhm. Because it's very interesting. We don't know where we want to go.
Yes.
Like the clothes. I want to here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just that, Kaldan. Keep your
Yes.
statement. We move to Kaagung maybe. Right. So, what is your opinion? I mean, like, what makes the night market is always awaited by our people?
Okay, I think what makes night market waited for other people
Mhm.
or make it interesting, because there are a lot of stuff in the night market, like
Yeah.
they sometimes probably like carnival or
Mhm.
festival there, so many people want to come to night market,
Mhm.
want to try, but they're like carnival, like
Mhm.
haunted house,
Yeah, yeah,
like you already mentioned
Mhm.
earlier, but haunted house, tong setan or kora like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and not just about that, but also there are a lot of stuff that really I think it's really cheap that
Mhm.
they sell.
Yeah.
So it's make also people interesting to
Mhm.
go night market to buy some maybe like house stuff or in the kitchen stuff like that.
Oh, yeah. Like the ornament
Yeah,
of the
ornament
house.
like that. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, it means like your point. The price is so affordable. You
Yeah,
know?
sometimes it's affordable in night market.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Kak Agung. Yeah, keep your statement, and we move to Kak Aldan. So, what is your opinion about it?
Well, thank you for the chance given to me. So I went to night carnival or night
Mhm.
market 10 days ago because recently we had
Where
it
is
like
it?
we had it like a month, not really far
Mhm.
from my house, which
Mhm,
is
wow.
located in Barombong, and that
Mhm.
was really amazing because even though it's raining,
Yeah, yeah,
people
yeah.
are still selling stuff.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
still really crowded,
And they
and
feel interest or for
yeah,
that.
feel really interested with that.
Mhm.
So answering your question why it's actually awaited by a lot of
Mhm.
people, right? First, we talk about accessibility, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I live in Barambong, which is we want to go to the mall, for example, or
Mhm.
any a big market. We have to go to the center of the city, right?
Yeah.
So it takes a lot of times
Mhm.
and a lot of effort as well.
Yeah, yeah,
If
that's
you wanna,
true.
well, we want to play some games on the mall. Of course, it's also expensive,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's
It costs
true.
like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
100, 200, but
Uh-huh.
you know what, like that was making me happy at the time
Mhm.
because I can try a lot of games like that,
Uh-huh.
which is really cheap, of course, and not really far from my
Mhm.
house. I can
Wow.
I can
Yeah,
walk,
yeah.
so it's really good because of accessibility.
Yeah.
So it's really
Mhm.
crowded, so they open every day until a month. So
Months.
yeah, until a
Wow.
month. So I mean, like I come like twice or three times
Mhm.
because there's a lot of stuff that I haven't tried. I go with my friends. I went with my
Yeah,
friends.
yeah.
And
We can meet our old friends.
yeah,
maybe.
yeah, of course. I
Yeah.
meet my lecturers, of course.
Whoa.
Because my house and my lecture is not really
Uh-huh.
far, so
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's true.
we meet there. So
Mhm.
kind of like reunion with my
Mhm,
friends,
yeah.
right? So
Reunion
yeah.
in night market.
Yeah, in night market. So I mean, there's a lot of things that can describe night
Yeah,
market.
yeah. Yeah, it means like for the people, especially in Barombong, it means like
Yeah.
the night market's very entertaining, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Because all the people there like feel entertained and feel interest, and also they're, as you mentioned before, they're very crowded, right?
Very crowded,
Mhm,
of course, and
wow.
accessibility, right?
Yeah,
People
yeah, yeah.
far away from the center of the city.
Mhm. Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
we also have in the city, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, we have to go to Makassar maybe to
Yeah.
go to the mall maybe, yeah,
Yeah.
to the big supermarket. Mhm.
I think that's
Okay,
all.
thank you, Galdan. And yeah, because it's very interesting to talk about night market for this evening. Yeah, we move to my next question, and yeah, my question is like, night markets are often identified by many typical foods or also unique food and drinks, snack and drinks, right? But yeah, I think my question here is a little bit. I mean, like more specific because I want to know from all of you guys what is your favorite food? Like that you more often look at in the night market. Yeah, maybe Kagong first. Want to share with us what is your favorite food and drinks when you join in the night market?
Okay, that's really interesting question. So, actually, I don't have any specific food when I come to
Mm-hmm.
night market because sometimes when with my friends go to the night market, we just go there want to
Mhm.
try like
Yeah.
the games, but we cannot afford like food there.
Yeah, you feel like
But-
starving right?
yeah, but
when you play games a lot.
yeah, but sometimes when
Mhm.
we still have like a chance from a
Mhm.
chance
Yeah,
a
yeah.
chance like little bit money, maybe we just buy meatballs there,
Mhm,
or
wow.
not meatballs, like there's an interesting food. I mean, I don't know what it's called, but
Chilok.
no, but
no.
it's sweet food. When we eat it, there's a smoke come into
Oh,
our
yeah,
mouth,
I know, but I don't know the name.
yeah, I don't know what is the name, but yeah,
How it tastes?
yeah, it's of course it's sweet, but also
Sweet.
like it
Mhm.
stink if we
Oh.
like eat it,
Oh.
and then there is smoke come off our mouth like that.
So the smoke, it feels like I mean like that makes interest,
Yeah,
the smoke,
yeah,
right?
the smoke.
So how it cost?
Yeah.
How it cost? Like
There is like 5,000 portion.
5,000.
There's also 10,000 portion.
10,000. Wow,
Yeah,
that's great.
but sometimes also I buy cotton candy for
Yeah,
my
cotton candy.
for my niece.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, just buy for my niece. Yeah, because they really like cotton candy because they're still kids, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
It's,
yeah.
it's kids' favorite
Mhm.
food when they go to the night market.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely cotton candy.
Yeah,
they
that's
buy.
iconic food.
Yeah.
Cotton candy in night market, right? Okay, so yeah, give your statement. Thank you,
Yes,
Kagum.
okay.
Yeah, we move to Kaaldan. Okay, so what is your favorite food?
Well, I think all the food are delicious, right?
Yeah, that's true.
My favorite one, of course, that we can find everywhere. That's meatball
Yeah,
and
meatball.
tofu, right?
Yeah,
Tofu
tofu.
bakar, bakso bakar, because like
AKA Batagor.
yeah, Batagor as well, of course. I mean, like I was like alone in my house, then rather than like I have to go far away to buy like any of other food. It's better for me to buy bakso bakar because
Yeah,
it's really cheap and also it's fast, right? It's
Mhm,
really
yeah,
fast.
yeah.
It's really fast. We shouldn't like wait like 3 minutes and it's done.
Yeah, yeah.
So I mean like there's a lot of kind of foods that I found, but
Mhm.
I haven't tried them all because
Yeah. You should
just-
try
yeah.
all of them.
yeah. I mean, like not just only about the modern food, but also
Mhm.
traditional food like
Yeah,
saraba,
Yeah, yeah.
gorengan,
I like
as
it
we call
too.
it. So lots of foods that you can try it, as
Mhm.
long as
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
you bring a lot of money as well,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because maybe same with you because I'm not really spending lots of my money with
Yeah.
food
Uh-huh.
because sometime when I went there I have eaten, right? So
Oh,
I
yeah, yeah.
prepare my energy to play games. Right? That's why I
So you
that's my main
already
purpose, right?
already eat before you go to the
To
night
fit,
market.
yeah, to
Mhm.
play games, right?
To fit your energy.
yeah.
So you can play games a lot.
yeah. Kinda like
Okay.
that.
Okay. Thank you, Kaldan. Yeah, we move to Kafdal.
For me, to go to the night market, I'll always after doing my celebration, like my friend graduation,
Wow.
and after that I go to the night market, just looking for spicy food.
Wow, spicy
Yes,
food.
because,
I don't like spicy
I like
food.
for spicy food. Just like local food.
Mhm, mhm.
Ikan pupu.
Ikan pupu. What's
Ikan
that?
pupu.
I didn't know that.
It makes like ikan pupu with spicy. Yeah.
Wow.
So
What kind of fish?
cakalang.
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 Wow.
So I really like spicy food with cakalang or ikan pupu because
Mhm.
after doing my activity and celebration, I just looking for spicy food.
So it sells in the night market?
Yes, in
Wow.
Antama, right?
Oh, yeah, 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 that's great. I want to try it also, but not too spicy. But not too spicy. Maybe you can say.
There's no
Oh.
level. There's no level.
Oh, there's no level.
There's no level because I just like the taste.
Wow, yeah, yeah. So it kind of like they have has, like the rasa yang has, like that.
Yes.
Wow. Maybe I want to try, but you have to make it less chili.
The food is simple. Just fish with rice and some vegetables.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Yeah.
25,000.
25,000 per portion.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's great. In night market, they sell ikan pupu.
Mm.
Wow. Yeah, we have to try it.
I recommend you guys.
Yeah. You have to wait for us. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Ka Afdal. Yeah. We move to my next question. Absolutely. Yeah. We know like we have absolutely in our childhood we have our experience. So I want to know what was your experience when you first time you visit the night markets. I mean like what makes you feel like this is a very memorable moment. I think like do you have something a funny story maybe like unique, or maybe the worst thing that you get in the night market? Yeah, maybe Ka Afdal, the first one. Maybe you want to share with us your experience.
My experience when I was kid in night market is the first I'm visit uh, lingkaran setan.
Lingkaran setan.
Uh,
Wow.
cycling devil, cycling devil.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
you know they're surround the apa? What's the
Yeah, yeah,
tongue,
yeah, we know, you
and
know.
they surround the tongue,
Mhm.
and I put some money with to the
Like the sour,
cycling.
sour, yeah.
So he take my
Uh-huh.
hand, and I just I little bit go to the
Oh.
down. So I think
You
it's
go down?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
hampir.
Oh, almost.
Almost. So I think it's the memorable
Wow.
experience for me.
Uh-huh.
So I never visit that
That attraction.
like yes.
You never visit that anymore.
Yes.
Okay, so
It was
like
scary.
that is a very memorable moment, right?
Yeah.
When is it when you child, you know?
Yes, when I was child.
Mhm.
When I was a kid.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
In elementary school.
yeah. So you feel like very afraid, right? When
Yes,
you.
I like very afraid. So I tell to
Mm-hmm.
I talking to my parents.
Mm-hmm.
I never go to the night market and don't visit that.
Because you feel like I
Uh,
never want to go there anymore. I feel like that.
that's it.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Kaudal. Yeah, we move to Kaagung. Yeah, what is your memorable moment maybe when you visit the night market for the first time? Mhm.
Okay, so my first experience when I was a kid,
Mhm.
when my mother first took me to the night market in my hometown, Sopeng.
Oh, Sopeng.
Yeah.
Mm.
So there are a lot of memorable moments there, like
Mhm.
funny moments or worst moment there, and
The worst moment.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can tell us your
Okay, so
terrible. Yeah.
I will tell you about the funny moment there
Mm, yeah,
because
yeah.
when my first time go to the night market,
Mhm.
I think you know how can I say, like sarcastic to people, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The
Yeah,
other
like friendly.
children, yeah. I really like to
Mhm.
I really like to make friends there. Like
Mhm.
there are a lot of kids also there,
So
so
what is your name? What is your
yeah,
name?
I just go
Right.
there and talk to them.
Uh-uh.
Like, do you want to play with me? Like,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And then?
And then yeah, I've made a lot of friends there.
Uh-huh.
So we go to buy some food, cotton candy,
Mhm.
and go to the you know balloon castle. Like
Oh,
this is a
yeah, yeah.
favorite
Yeah, balloon castle.
children
Mhm.
games. Balloon
So
castle.
you entered the balloon castle?
Yeah, of course, with my new friends there,
Uh-huh.
I entered that. But the worst moment there, I'm not just make friends, but also make an
Uh-huh.
enemy.
Wow.
Because there are a lot of like naughty kids there.
Oh, yeah,
Really want to
yeah.
make a problem with us, like they're you know, take
Mhm.
my shirt or push me
Oh.
down like that. So
So you punch them?
yeah, I just fight back there, and then yeah, they push me to, you know, to the ground. Like I fall to the ground from the balloon castle.
Wow.
You know, it's really hard, and I'm crying like there because it's really
So,
hard.
yeah,
Yeah.
So it was in your childhood, right?
Yes, this worst moment, of course, and but there's still one of my worst moment in the night market. When I was a kid, I entered a haunted house,
Wow.
and that's make me like
I
I
never
feel
want to go
trauma
there.
about that.
Oh, you feel trauma.
Yeah, because I really scared
So
about the ghost.
what about the story?
Yeah,
You meet the ghost kind of like like what?
yeah.
Kuntilanak.
Even I know that it's a fake ghost, but still, I really scared, and
Oh.
I cannot move. I I just like stand there and
Mhm.
crying,
Wow.
and I call my mother.
So you don't continue
No, I
the
don't
way.
because I'm too scared to move like that. Yeah. Uh, Alhamdulillah. Yeah, no.
No.
But
So,
still, I'm still afraid to go.
it means like the feel of trauma, right?
Yeah, like
Mhm. Yeah, the feel of trauma is very terrible
Yes.
thing that we had, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kak Agung.
Okay.
Yeah, we move to Kak Aldan.
Okay.
Mhm.
You know, it's really hard to remember memories when we were kids, right?
Wow.
But
Mhm.
I just like remember several moments.
Mhm.
When I was a kid, I was living in I used to live in Bantay-Bantayang,
Mhm. But, oh
you
yeah,
know, which is not really far from Veteran.
Mhm.
And when I was a kid, I really loved to own what do you call it in English? Ikan bite,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean like
I
that.
don't know.
ikan cupang.
Yeah, ikan cupang.
So you know,
Mhm.
me and my friends are seeking that fish,
Mhm. I mean like
in a
beta
night market.
beta fish. I
Yeah,
mean.
beta fish, yeah.
Beta fish.
seeking that fish, and you know what, in night
Mhm.
market,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you know it was like 2000, and you know it was really long time ago,
Uh-huh.
where this fish is really famous, and
Yeah, yeah.
a lot of children playing it at that. You know?
Me too.
You know, like I have my own,
Mhm.
you know, beta fish,
Mhm.
and I try to find, you know, like partners to
Mm.
practice, or what do you call it,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
to
yeah.
make them let it fight it, right?
Uh-huh.
So mostly spend it like lots of time in the night in the night
Yeah.
market.
So
To
it
play
means
with that.
like to play or to choose
Yeah.
where's the biggest one
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, I mean like just only to play with that and just let
Uh-huh.
it fight.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
it's such a sense of happiness. Like I got it
Mhm. Yeah.
because you know, like they also sell that fish as well. So
Mhm.
you know, when I'm losing, you know, when my fish got lost, I
Mhm.
buy another one.
Oh.
So yeah, I mean like
So because it's
yeah,
cheap, you know.
it's cheap, right?
Mhm.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I own like the cheapest one,
Uh-huh.
but I got the strongest one.
Oh,
So it's
wow.
not depends on the price, right? It's not dependent on the price.
Yeah. Lucky.
Betta fish, it depends on the you know, like how beauty the fish is,
Uh-huh, yeah,
but not
yeah.
how strong is that. So
Uh-huh.
you know, I've mastered on that. Yeah, I mean like it's beautiful moments. You know, like
So you ever kind of like the moment when how to say the you know the fish like robek you know.
yeah, I mean I feel pity, but when we were kids, of course we enjoyed it, right? We enjoy, we're happy. I mean like we also meet our friends,
Mhm,
of
yeah,
course.
yeah.
Like we were gathered in a night market as well.
Mhm.
So I mean that's unforgettable moments. You know, like the day after tomorrow,
Mhm.
you know, like my mother's like throw that away. So
Oh,
I'm
your
losing,
fish,
yeah,
your
my
fish.
fish.
Oh.
I'm losing it away. I mean, where's my fish?
So you
It's
just
kinda
like
really bad moment after happiness that we got.
Mhm, yeah.
You know, last night.
So you just like get a memorable moment for one
yeah,
night.
one night. Yeah, I mean, but that's fine. I can buy it.
Yeah, a very poor
Yeah.
fish. I
Yeah,
don't know.
So yeah,
So you buy another one in the next day.
and I hide it.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
of
you had it
course.
from your
Make it
mom.
safe, right?
Mhm. Yeah. You buy also the feet, you know, the foot of
Yeah,
the
I
fish.
mean, like I don't know. I
Mhm.
didn't bought it, but you know, at the time, a lot of people you know, take olo olo.
Oljen.
Oljen, yeah, oljen. So
Oljen.
of course
Yeah, that's true.
we feed them by that. So
Yeah, that's true.
and some people, you know, we also learned how to train that by you know, like we put on a mirror on
Yeah.
the what do you call it, like on their place, and sometimes we use like black plastic.
Oh
you
yeah,
know,
I didn't know that.
Black plastic.
Uh-huh.
That was I was using that because that's the reason, right? I tried the cheapest fish that I
Uh-huh.
got, like and make it stronger. So
Yeah.
you know, I beat a lot of my friends
Mm.
by that fish. So you know, kind of like there's a lot of methods of how we train that, and you
Mhm.
know, I got some lessons as well.
Yeah. So I didn't know that like the black plastic.
Yeah,
I just put like a mirror.
I didn't know like
Mhm.
the scientific reason.
Mhm.
Right? I just heard
Mhm.
it, but it works. But
It works, it works.
It works, but
So guys, there is a tutorial how
Yeah.
to make your fish more stronger.
yeah, but don't use it for fight anymore, right? It's not the time, right?
Yeah,
It's not the time anymore.
so we just like our childhood moment, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's really bad when you use it for gambling. So don't do that.
So don't do that again.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
like-
that is very memorable moment from us, like Kaagung with the balloon caster, and also Kaaldan with the beta fish, and lingkarang setan tong setan. Okay, yeah, we move to my next question for you guys. Yeah, yeah, we know like as times goes by, like day by day, we know we move to the modern era, right? The and night markets are also becoming more modern, right? And yeah, they follow the development of time. So my question is, what do you think about this change? You know, the change between the past and the present. You know, is there anything become better in night market, or is there something missing in night market? Yeah. So, what is your opinion about it? About the change, you know, the difference between the past and the present time of the night market. Yeah, maybe Kaagung want to share with us. So, what is your opinion about it? The change.
So I think about the change of night market from time to time. I think just like the change really interesting because as I know when I was a kid, if I'm not wrong, like the night market still just like a regular market without any games or any festival.
Yeah,
Just market that's so like clothes
Mhm.
or just so like a kitchen stuff like that. But from time to time they like they change, like they add some some games example, or they also add like food because
yeah.
when I was a kid there are no foods sold there in the night
Mhm.
market, just
When you was a child, right?
yeah, when I was a child, because the night market also like in front of my house example. Yeah, but
Same with Alder.
yeah,
Still very.
yeah, but just still like regular market,
Uh-huh.
like
Mm.
they're so like just a little bit stuff.
Mm.
But I think the changes about the night market from time to time is really interesting because it can make other people more interest to visit night market,
Yeah.
making more more fun to visit because there are a lot of games right now.
Yeah, so they add like some
Yeah,
games,
yeah.
and also there's a lot of food stuff.
Yeah, and also like live music also in night
Yeah,
market.
live music.
Yeah,
Oh, live music.
yeah,
Mhm.
just yeah, maybe just like a specific location, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So
It means like it costs very expensive ticket maybe to join with the live music.
I think we don't need the ticket to listen to music.
Oh.
Just go there in the night market. You can just like listen or watch the people there like sing.
Don't you want to try to karaoke in there? The live music,
No,
maybe.
I'm too shy to
Oh.
sing in front of a lot of people. Too shy.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, the difference between the past and the present, like yeah, we know like the night markets develop time by time, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, as you said before, you mentioned like they add some games,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
And
foods.
also yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't know that like the live music.
There, ever go to night market near from Sheikh Yusuf field?
Yusuf.
Yeah.
Oh, Sheikh Yusuf Field.
Yeah, there's ever
It's
like,
near from my house.
oh yeah,
Mhm.
I go there with my friends and there's live music there. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I'm not.
Yeah, there's also in Ramadan. Yeah,
The night markets in Ramadan. Oh yeah,
there's
yeah.
also in there. If I'm not.
But maybe at the time I'm not in my house, so I didn't go to the night market. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kagong.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Move to Kafdal. Mhm.
Uh, the different, yes,
Yeah, yeah.
the different night market time by time, and now I think the unique area of night market now, because it's not depend on the area. So we see, some of night market is located in
In the field.
general located in field.
Yeah.
So but now night market not depend on the located. We can see to the Nipa Mall. There's a night market too,
Yeah, yeah.
Carnival too.
So in the front of the
And
mall.
some of night market when I was a kid, it just provide of games, just provide the games.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But now night market over live music, local artists,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Local
food
artists.
vendors, food vendors too, and some with full by colorful light.
Oh, yeah,
the
yeah,
night.
yeah, yeah.
So it's
Like
make
attraction, yeah.
people want to stay alone at midnight.
Yeah, I know the reason because a lot of them maybe want to take a picture with the lamp.
Oh,
That's the reason.
so there's
Okay.
some of likes, so people
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah.
make a photo or make with their friends, make some of moments.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So as you mentioned before, like they add a lot of games and also the attraction of the lights.
Some of like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And nowadays it's not depend on the place, right?
It's not depend on the place.
Yeah, yeah. Random place, as you said. Random place.
We can find.
Yeah, yeah.
There, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In the river too. When have a carnival too in the river.
Yeah. Oh, carnival. No, 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 no. You have to
You know
invite us.
the boot carnival in Palembang, you know?
I didn't know that. How was it?
What's it? Lomba perahu.
Oh, yeah. I watched it in the TikTok. Like how to say it? Yeah, lomba perahu. That's true.
With the long boot. Boot.
Yeah.
People in the how say ujung?
Yeah.
Corner or
Yeah, corner.
on another side?
Another side.
Another side of the river. Yeah. So they built
make some
the
of
market.
music,
Oh, the
some music.
music.
So the pengayu itu, have semangat.
Yeah, they add some spirit.
Spirit to perahu itu.
To get the to get the finish line.
Yeah. To go
Okay.
to finish. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Galgal. Yeah, move to the next speaker. Yeah, so tell us a little bit about the difference between the past of the night market and also the nowadays.
Yeah, I mean, like you guys saw that. Of course, that there are a lot of changings of night market, right?
Yeah,
The
that's true.
festival itself, which is not really depends on the field anymore. So you can find it on everywhere. It's on mall, or even on the street.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So there's a lot of ways, of course. You know what? Like it was like few months ago, I found like festival. So it's full of lamps. It's very colorful lamp, and then of course it's really beautiful. We're not just
Instagrammable.
yeah. It's actually sweet for not for millennials, right? Or Gen Z, right? So you know what I mean? Like it's really cool, but unfortunately this only happens like a month in a year. So like 1 or 2 months in a year. So it will be a really long time to wait it, right? You know what? But I've never saw that things anymore because like it's really far from my house. Mostly that on the city, right? On the city, like those festivals, those modern festival are located in the city, but on the corners or like in Barombong or Takalar, we still have like the common one, right? Common night festival, and mostly they. I didn't say that they are bad, but some management are really bad. you know, in terms of the, you know, like some garbage, you know, like we don't know where do we have to throw this garbage, right? So some people put it on the ground. So it's really bad, you know. I passed that on the morning and I saw a lot of garbage, you know. It didn't be collected by some people, and
it's not good looking.
Yeah, it's bad to see, right? The place was in on a rice field, right? On a rice field, and you know, it's really bad. I think. I mean, like, of course, that there are a lot of people, and they want to buy a lot of stuff. They put it on the ground. So, you know, like I didn't see any like you know, cleaning service or anything else. So I mean, that's why it's really bad. So, you know, I was like confused where do I put my garbage, right, and my plastic. So, and then another side that they have lots of parking attendants, like wild parking attendants, you know, and you know, they don't have like their officially parking attendants. Some of the bike, and I was like parked my bike on the street.
Where the rompin.
I mean, I parked my motorcycle on the side of the street. So of course it's blocks some ways. And that's really bad. I mean, they're forcing us, so it has to be managed with the garbage. And also the parking attendant. There's a lot of parking attendant, and they're forcing us to park on their place, right? And it's something that has to be fixed, you know. Of course, that we have to I mean, what do you call it? Like fix, add some food, add some games, but this thing has to be fixed first, because
so all the people can feel comfort.
Feel comfort, because you know, like. When people come there and then see that there's a lot of garbage, and then, you know, the parking attendants are arrogant, so they have a bad stigma on night market. It's like night, you know, a night dream, you know, nightmare. So you know, it's something that has to be thanked by the managers, right? Everything's on, you know. They at least they provide, you know, like 5 vendors. There's a lot big garbage, you know, like our trash can, right?
We have to add like trash can.
I mean, when it's clean, when it's safe, then I will guarantee that everyone will come again. So
so make all the people feel entertained and interested to come.
Beside adding the game and also adding some food, right? Those things has to be fixed first.
That's true.
I think that's all. I mean, like, just a suggestion, right?
Okay, so you mean like so nowadays we have to add we don't have to add a lot of games. We don't think like we have to fix like that problem as you mentioned before. Okay, so that's true. We have to realize that we develop at the time.
Like he said that there are a lot of people try to find an enemy, right? It's not safe, right? It's not safe.
That's true.
It has to be something, you know, like happy memory and, you know,
so
fun.
We want to try. We try. Make.
You know, of course, some people still thought like that. So, I mean, it's bad, right? It's bad.
So we have to fix it, right? Okay, friends. And my next question, maybe this is a little bit unique. My last question. Okay, so this is just like a simple question. If you can create your night market by your own, I mean, like, what theme that would you choose to make your night market? What would be included in it? For me, like, maybe I want to make a healthy night market. We do have to sell like a healthy product, supplement, you know, or and we have yoga or fitness time at the night market. It's for me. So what about you guys? Okay, so maybe Aldan.
I'm still thinking. I've never thought that thing before, but I never you know, having responsibility on the behind of the stage, or I mean, like, you know, managing an event, because it's really hard, you know. It's working,
you know, that
hard and working, you know, team, right? As a team.
So I mean, like, it's just imaginary question.
Of course. It is on. Okay. yeah, I mean, like if I were like a managers of a what do you call it, like night markets or festival, I would I would try to make like a, like it's look like a cafe,
Oh,
like
yeah, yeah,
there's
yeah.
some vendors, but it looks like a cafe, like it's really amazing because and with live music, of course, because
Yeah, live
it
music.
will be like so peach, like that's my opinion, right? Because I'm really tired seeing people pass it away all the time, so I wanted to make it like peace and just
Oh,
just,
okay,
just
calm
enjoy the
down.
music and calm down, enjoy the music and talking to your friends, enjoying
Oh,
your
yeah.
time, not finding enemies, but just like sharing
Yeah, quality time.
quality times
With
and
with
just
the
like
friends.
enjoy your time with very
Uh,
calm situation, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now, we compare with the night market that we have. It's really crowded. And,
Yeah,
a
yeah.
lot of people passing by, and it's really loud. A lot of people are screaming so because of the games, everything. So, I mean, like that's on my opinion.
Yeah,
So
that's a brilliant
because,
idea.
yeah. I mean, I love the place where it's calm down, and still can because I used to have like assignments on even in the night, so
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can't
that's
do
right.
that in the night when a lot of people passing by and it's very it's very chaos, right? So when it's calm down, I can do any
Yeah.
of other activities,
That's true.
like multitasking, right?
Mhm.
So I mean, it's really cool. I mean, my
Okay,
perspective, so.
okay. Thank you, Kaldan. Yeah, we move to Kaafdal. Okay, so what would be your night market?
If I if I give a chance to make night market, I want to
Just your simple.
make night market with cultural heritage with
Wow.
handcraft crafts
Handcraft.
because I think it's very important because
Like art, maybe art.
yeah, art
Mm.
art
Oh,
because
yeah.
it's important because we make people knows about our
Culture.
culture
Yeah, yeah.
and and it's the is at your knowledge too.
Yeah,
And
that's
I
true.
think you can bore because you see your culture and you learn about your culture,
Mm,
and
yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
think it's good for you in the future.
Yeah, we do agree with that.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, we move to the last speaker. Yeah, how about you? What would be your night market, the theme?
About the theme, I really don't know, but
Mhm.
if I have to
Yeah, just
if I have a
imagine.
chance
Yeah.
to create a night market, but maybe I'll just like stick with your opinion earlier that you say
Mhm.
like make night healthy night market.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
as far as I see, like when I go to the night market, they sell them to sell like fruit.
Unhealthy food.
Yeah, fruits. Like
Healthy but unhealthy food.
yeah,
Healthy but unhealthy. Okay.
I think
and then
they sell them to sell like fruit
Mhm.
like that. Maybe just like juice, but not like other
No.
fruit. Yeah, I think
Fruit,
like,
fruit.
Yeah, I think night market is like vegetable also.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
To add there. Maybe my theme of night market just like a healthy night market, and also like what what you said earlier about the clean of the night market.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
we have to build like a mindset that to not always
Not
throw
just yeah,
garbage in on the
yeah.
ground.
We have to make it clean,
make
right?
it clean like that. Yeah,
Mhm.
but
We have to fix the mindset, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so you're just the same with me.
yes, because I
Like
can't
healthy night
Either we
market.
fix the mindset, but
Mhm.
there's no way to put it down. So
yeah.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
We got.
We have to
We
make
have to
a
We
provide
trash
also
as
can.
well.
provide the
Trash can.
trash can
Mhm.
or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Okay. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for coming in this program for this evening. And yeah, okay. So that's our discussion for this evening. And yeah, for all smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, don't forget to stay tuned with us. Absolutely, with a new schedule in Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. on 101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia. See you next week, and bye bye.